Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I am sure you all will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. I am English teacher Tahira Jabeen. My dear students, we all have not visited any place this year due to the current difficult situation of COVID-19. But we can visit our favorite places through internet. Now students, look at these pictures of beautiful roads of our country which I have selected for you. Many of you have visited Lahore, Karachi, Quetta, Peshawar and Islamabad etc. during your previous years. क्योंकि बहुत से बच्चों के रिलेटिव्स डिफरेंट सिटीज़ में रहते हैं तो यकीनन आपने उन सिटीज़ को विज़िट भी किया होगा. ट्राई टू रिकग्नाइज दीज पिक्चर्स. यस, these are the pictures of famous roads of different cities of Pakistan. My dear students, now look at this picture. Do you recognize this picture? You will surely recognize this picture because this is the picture of our beautiful city Sahiwal. And these are the pictures of roads of Fatehsher Colony and Freetown. This is the picture of road of Pakpatan Chowk and Comset University Road Sahiwal. My dear students, now this is the most famous road of our city, that is High Street. And these are the pictures of narrow streets of the towns of our city. And this is very much related to our today's topic. Today our topic is essay composition. And the topic of the essay is the street where I live. And by the end of this lesson you will be able to know about what is an essay, develop ideas, compose an essay on the given topic. First of all, we have to discuss what is basically an essay. Essay is a short piece of writing on a particular subject. What is an essay? Essay is a short piece of writing on a particular subject. Let's have a look on the parts of an essay. First part is called introduction. In this paragraph, we give the general idea and we give the information about the topic. Second part is called body. In this paragraph, we write about the main topic. We write it in the form of paragraphs. Third part is called conclusion. In this paragraph, we summarize our essay and write a concluding statement. We reconnect it with the main topic. My dear students, first of all, our topic is the street where I live. So, in the introductory paragraph, we will give a general idea and information about the topic. So, let's have a look what to write in this paragraph. In the past, there were no roads and streets. You can write that paths were made by animals. In the next point, you can also write that earliest roads were constructed by Romans. Next point will be that construction of roads a great development. You can also write about that roads are main means of transportation. Roads are subdivided into avenues and streets. So this is the introductory paragraph in which you have given general idea and information about the topic. And our topic is the street where I live. Let's come to the second paragraph, which is the main body. In this paragraph, we have to given the main information of the topic. In this paragraph, we have to give the main information of the topic. We have to discuss the topic. We have to explain each point about the topic. Let's see how we have to compose this paragraph or this part of the essay. The first line of this paragraph is about the topic. In the first line, we have to tell that what is our topic. So you will start this paragraph like this. Today the topic of my essay is the street where I live. Next point will be what is street. In this line you will write the definition of street. In next point you can describe the condition of the street, that is its cleanliness, its length. You can also write about that street is spacious, well paved, cemented. In the next point you will write that there are 4 or 5 lampposts in your street. Then you will write about residents of your street. You can also discuss the behavior of residents of the streets. Next point will be the condition of houses. कि हाउसेस किस किस्म के हैं, किस उनकी कंडीशन क्या है. यू कैन आल्सो राइट अबाउट द mosque and shop of the street. Next point can be about the playground which is in front of your street. In the last line you can write about that your street is the model street of your town. So this is the body paragraph. Now we have to discuss about the last paragraph, which is conclusion or concluding paragraph. In this paragraph we have to summarize our essay and we have to connect it with the main topic. Now let's see what are the main points in this paragraph. First of all, you have to tell about the benefits of roads and streets. You can also write that roads are very important for us. We can move easily through them. In the next point, you can write that you can write about the cleanliness of your roads, that we should keep our streets neat and clean. You can write that roads are also the form of communication. My dear students, now we read the complete essay on the topic, the street where I live. Human history is full of great developments. including the construction of roads. Thousands of years ago, there were no roads. The first roads were paths made by animals and later adopted by humans. Gradually, paths became tracks and some routes became roads. The earliest roads were stone-paved streets constructed by Romans. Nowadays, roads are one of the major means of transportation. The network of roads is subdivided into avenues and streets. Today I am going to write an essay on the topic, the street where I live. Street is a public road in a city, town or village, typically with houses and buildings on one or both sides. I live in a street which is big and about a furlong in length. It is spacious, well paved and cemented. It is daily cleaned by sweepers. No resident of that street is allowed to throw rubbish in it. There are 4 lampposts in it. My street is inhabited by well-to-do people. There are beautiful houses on both sides of the street. All the residents of the street live peacefully. They share their joys and sorrows. There is a beautiful mosque in our street. We say our prayers in the mosque. There is also a shop at the corner of the street. There is playground in front of our street. Children play in it. In short, the street where I live is one of the model streets of the town. In the end, I would just say that we should try to keep our surrounding neat and clean. Roads and streets are built to bring benefits to people. It is also a form of communication. We can move about easily through them. They take us where we want to go. As someone said, the road is there. It will always be there. You just have to decide when to take it. Now students, this is the complete essay. My dear students, this is homework time. Compose an essay on the topic of the street where I live. You can also paste the picture of your street. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.